Welcome back to the channel for another video on our 22 WRX. I'm really excited for this week's video. We did get a product sent over for us to test out with our WRX. It's probably something that we should have put on the car day one. It's just for safety, but we might get some good video clips and we will be testing it out in this video and getting it installed. So enough talking, let's go over to the bench and I'll show what we got. All right, so over here at the bench we have our brand new dash cam to test out. This is from VS1. This is their new tiny 2K dash cam, and it does have the Sony Sarvis inside of it. So that is pretty cool. I did open it just to see the size of it, and it is really small. So I really like that feature that it's really small, so it's not going to be like blocking like, I don't know, I've never had a dash cam, so I really don't want it to be like noticeable. I don't really want to see it, so you can see the little camera right there. It does just stick on with some 3M tape. Now they do sell a hardwire kit. I'm not going to be getting this installed with the hardwire kit today, as I just want to like test it out, make sure that I like it. Now if I do like it, we will be hardwiring this in, but it does have just the regular cables underneath. Just so you could hook it up to the cigarette lighter, and it is very long. Let me show you real quick. So it just has a cigarette USB adapter, and then just like a long USB cable. So we're just going to get all of that route. We're going to get this plugged in. We're going to go on a drive, and we're going to test out the quality, and hopefully we get some good video and audio. Now it is 2K, that's about, I think it's 1440p, so I mean it should be very good quality. And then yeah, it does come with a card, so we'll get the card plugged in, then it has that adapter so you can get it plugged into the computer as well. But I'm really excited to get this tested and get this installed. So enough talking, let's get this installed. Alright, so before I get it buttoned back up, I just wanted to show you guys where we got the wire ran and everything. So we started at the glove box, so you can just pull it all up and then you can push your extra slack into the headliner. But we just got it run along the side, underneath, and you can see the wire coming through right here. And then it just goes up along the A-pillar, and then we just tucked it up along here. And it just pops out there. So very seamless. You can't see any wires except just this one right here. And then from sitting in the driver's seat, you can't even see the dash cam. So next step, since now we are done with the install, let's just get this little trim piece back on. It has this little square piece right here that goes in here. So just make sure the wire isn't like in that hole. And this should just pop right back in. So let's get the VS1 started up. Let's check out this video quality. Let's go on a little drive. All right, we're about to pull out. Check out the audio and video. Headed out to Home Depot, doing some home projects. Have the in-laws over, so go grab some stuff and we'll be right back. picked up the stuff we needed from Home Depot. So I can't check the footage until we get home since I do need to be on Wi-Fi, but I do hope everything is looking great. And I'm not expecting too much on the audio side, but I hope the audio is somewhat decent. But let's get back to the garage.
Wi-Fi disabled.
Alright, we have made it back to the garage. Now I just reviewed some of the footage and I'm really happy with how the video and audio turned out. It really captured like how loud this turbo spool is, just under like light loads, like not like wide open throttle. Like the turbo is very loud compared to the stock turbo. This car does have a G3900 on it, but it does sound really good. The audio and the video looked really good, so I'm very happy with the quality of this product. Now, if you wanted to pick up one of these Viofo's VS1 tiny 2K dash cam with that Sony Starvis that I was talking about earlier, I will have a link below in the description. This is basically the only tool I needed, and it came in the box. I didn't mention that before, but this is just a little trim removal tool, and this is what I used to pop that trim off on the side, and then I just tucked everything up with my hands, and then on the headliner, I just used this to like pull it down a little bit, and then I just tucked the wire in. So this is really the only tool that you needed, and it's just great that they supplied it. I'm just overall super impressed with the quality of this dash cam. I haven't ran a dash cam on any of my cars before, and I really should. It's just a security thing, it's a safety thing. If anything were to happen, I can now just show the footage to prove if, hopefully it's not my fault, but to prove that it's not my fault if there's some sort of incident. As long as everything goes well, we will come back to this and we will do a hardwire kit and get this hooked up. But I'm honestly really happy with how it's hooked up. I don't know if I would do the hardwire kit, honestly, because I really like how tucked away the wire is. It turns on and off with the vehicle right now, so I may not even install this. I'm just overall, honestly, just very impressed with the quality of this. So definitely jump down in the description. I'll have this linked below if you wanted to pick it up for yourself. But that's all I got for you guys on this one. We're going to be testing out the launch control and flat foot shifting soon. So stay tuned until then, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.